In the heart of winter, members from TAFI, the dedicated pioneers of travel, embarked on a remarkable journey. From the vibrant cities of Rajkot, Surat, and Ahmedabad, they set out to explore the enchanting realm of Leh Ladakh. Their adventure began with a breathtaking descent into the Pushak Bakula Rinpoche Airport, where the majestic snow-covered mountains welcomed them into a world apart. The warmth of traditional Ladakhi hospitality at the Grand Dragon Hotel embraced them, offering comfort and luxury amidst the stark beauty of the mountains, ensuring a serene start to their journey of acclimatization and exploration. Gifted with a pristine blanket of snow, the members experienced the thrill of skiing, an unforgettable encounter with nature's serene beauty. Immersing themselves in the rich tapestry of Ladakhi culture, they embarked on a heritage walk, unraveling the mysteries of ancient monasteries and the storied history of this land. An unexpected delight awaited them as they witnessed the vigor and passion of an ice hockey match, a celebration of skill and spirit under the banner of Khelo India. As daylight faded, melodies filled the air. A musical night under the starlit sky concluded their day, weaving memories filled with harmony and joy. With dawn, the adventure continued to the surreal landscape of Moonland, a vision so unique, it seemed like stepping onto another planet. The day brought more explorations, monastery visits, and the unbreakable bonds of friendship. The journey to Pangong Lake was a highlight, a spectacle of nature's artistry. At the famous Three Idiots Point, smiles and poses captured moments that will live on forever. Celebrating the youngest heart among us, the group shared moments of joy and laughter, embracing the local culture through shopping and culinary delights. As travel agents, their quest for discovery led them to explore potential stays for future travelers, ensuring their clients could one day experience the magic of Ladakh. Though the journey concluded, the memories, like the timeless beauty of Ladakh, remain etched in their hearts forever. For the members of TAFI, this was not just a journey through snow and mountains, it was a voyage of discovery, camaraderie, and the unyielding spirit of adventure. Thanks to Kailash Expeditions team for organizing this educational tour for TAFI members of Gujarat.